Welcome to Georgeway Math TV.
Okay, I know for reciprocals, I have to just make sure that it's in a fraction form. And this one is in a fraction form. If it is, all I have to do is I just flip that, right? So this is now, the 9 is just going to go to the top. And the 8 will just come to the bottom. And that's it. So the reciprocal of that is that. 9 over 8. And that's it. I love reciprocals, man. I love it. Alright. What about the second one? Again, I have to make sure it's in a fraction form. But this is not in a fraction form. It's just a whole number. So I gotta change that to a fraction before I find a reciprocal. So to change a whole number to a fraction, you just put 1 at the bottom, right? So now that it's in the fraction form, the reciprocal of this is what? I just flip it. So the 1 goes to the top, and this 25 will now come to the bottom. And that's it. Oh, this was not bad.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.